Good day guys, and welcome to this channel from any part of the world where you are watching from. My name is Tommy and I share DIY hacks, lifestyle tips that you generally benefit from. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a quick tip that I learned from my mother, and this has helped me and helped a lot of other people that I have shared it with, even those around me. And this is how to eliminate and take away those nasty smells that ooze out from our body. We are humans, so it's natural for us to have perspire from time to time, and if you don't generally shower or something, this kind of give you smells or bad smells, as the case might be. So this was shared to me when I considered going on a very long flight, and I just remembered that, oh, this is something that I must do. Sometimes it's not okay for you to just use deodorant and just walk out of the house. If you're going to be away for like over 24 hours to 48 hours, or even like for a long time, basically, you might need to do something than just using just deodorant. Because I'm not trying to say you shouldn't use deodorant or toiletries in any form, but sometimes you even still see that you still need to take care of your body even after you've used this. So what do you do in that case? I have the old-fashioned lime with me. Just this tiny fruit will help do justice to eliminating bad smells from your body. This is a lime. People often confuse lime and lemon together. I've got a lemon too. This is a lemon and this is the lime. The lime is usually tinier and smaller than the lemon. The lime is a lot more acidic than the lemon, so naturally I don't advise people to ingest lime. Like if they're trying to use it for weight loss or something, it's very, very acidic. And if you have sensitive stomach or something, it might affect you on the long run. But it is better for you to use the lemon. The lemon is less acidic and is safe to ingest. But since the lime is going to be going on the outer part of the body, it is safe for you to use. So what do you do when you are going like on a flight, or you're just going out, or you have anybody, or you know anybody that has got a body odor? From time to time, our body eliminates odors and you have to take care of it. Just simply cut into the lime, like cut it into 2 equal halves, and use this like on your underarm, like so, your private area, and it goes. So you can use 1 lime, you can use 2, you can even use 3, but 3 is like an overkill for me. By the time you use 2, I'm sure you will be absolutely like I said, just cut into the lime. Don't squeeze it, don't make it into a juice or anything, just the way it is when it is cut. Apply it underneath your arm, underneath your arm, and just apply it like so, and we can repeat the process till when you think you're absolutely fine. Trust me, this takes you for over 24 hours. There will be no smell, nothing coming out from those areas at all. And trust me, you look as fresh as you're supposed to by the time you arrive at your destination, or by the time you have the time to have a proper bath. So just in case you're traveling, or you know anybody whatsoever that needs to have this kind of information, this is what you can do to them. This tiny fruit will do justice to that. So this is my tip for you today. I am sure a lot of people will benefit from this. Like when I was told, I didn't know how much benefit it would give, but when I told people, they came back and they told me that it really worked for them, and it even went on to even those that were trying to eliminate body odor. Please pass this information along to others, your friends, your family. Don't just keep it to yourself. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, this is a very great opportunity for you to subscribe. Also click on the notification bell, because many more videos like this will show up on your page when I drop it or when I upload it, and I'm sure you will learn from it. Till I come your way next time, just stay beautiful. Bye.